the National Weather Service in Oxnard has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Los Angeles County in southwest California until 4:15 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 3:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing 1-inch hail and wind gusts to 60 miles an hour. This storm was located 7 miles northeast of Palmdale, or 9 miles east of Lancaster, and moving southwest at 20 miles an hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Little Rock and Lake Los Angeles.